Well, the NHS says that it is concerned that targeted conspiracy theories spreading online are putting people from South Asian backgrounds off having the coronavirus vaccine. It's one of the reasons that Warrington's Islamic Association has decided to turn part of its main building into a vaccination centre. Phil McCann reports.
This is Warrington Islamic Centre. This is the prayer hall. And this is the sports hall. For the last few weeks, though, it's been a vaccination hub, serving the whole community in the most economically deprived part of Warrington.
A lot of patients haven't left their house since around last March, so for them to come here and get the vaccination and to be able to provide them with some hope that, you know, there really is a light at the end of the tunnel, it's been the most rewarding experience.
We are very much, I've born and bred community of Warrington here. We want people to, if we can help our community in any capacity, we're always there.
The hope was using this building would encourage more people in the local Muslim community to come forward and get vaccinated, because in some parts of the country, studies have shown that people from Pakistani backgrounds are those who are most likely to refuse the vaccine.
There has been an issue with the BAME population not vaccinating as much. We've certainly had a few people from the BAME community, but the wider community have used it. This vaccination centre for everybody.
I've actually had a lot of people from minority ethnic groups that they're happy to receive the vaccine. So that's my advice to people, that if you're offered the vaccine, definitely go for it.
A lot of vaccine myths targeting minority communities are spread online. So local health officials are spreading videos like this instead.
The vaccine does not include pork or any material of fetal or animal origin.
When the vaccination scheme started here, this car park was full of people with appointments. Now most of those who are eligible here and want a jab have got one. It's one of the reasons the vaccine supply to the northwest has been cut back.
I know that in the next few weeks that the vaccine allocations will increase again. It could be double, tripled per site. And it needs to, because the next cohort of patients, when you hit the 60s, there's far more of them than the 70s and 80s.
People in their 60s are now being invited to book appointments in some places for the end of this month. But a recent poll suggested people from minority backgrounds were 20% less likely to do that. Phil McCann, BBC North West Tonight, Warrington.